Hello, you're probably here to study probability. Well, it's a very detail-oriented topic, so if you're struggling right now, you're not alone. Let's learn by doing, shall we? Using this population seen here, I'll ask a few questions. Number 1, what is the probability a person has a hat or glasses on? Question 2, what is the probability a person has a hat and glasses on? Question 3, what is the probability a person has a hat on given they have glasses on? Now, it might sound like I just asked the same question 3 times, but in probability, the words or, and, as well as given have very specific definitions. The word or, also referred to as union, considers all members of the population who meet either condition. So the probability that a person has a hat or glasses is all of the people who have hats, as well as all of the people who have glasses, out of the total population. And, also referred to as intersection, is only the cases in the population that meet both criteria. So the probability that a person has a hat and glasses is only the people who have both hats and glasses out of the entire population. The word given is often used to indicate conditional probability. So the probability that a person has a hat on given they have glasses on restricts the total population down to only those wearing glasses. So everybody in the population not wearing glasses is removed, and we can focus in just on the portion who wears glasses. Therefore, the probability that a person has a hat on given they're wearing glasses is all of the people with both hats and glasses out of just the people wearing glasses. The difference between conditional probability and an intersection is what we consider as the grand total. All right, try some on your own. Question 1, what is the probability a person has glasses on or has facial hair? Question 2, what is the probability a person has glasses on and has facial hair? Question 3, given a person has facial hair, what is the probability they have glasses? The answers are at the end of the video. So go ahead, still pause it, get out your paper and pencil, solve it for yourself. Have you done it? I mean it, try it. Crunch some numbers, get your calculator, do it yourself. I believe in you. All right, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Here are those answers.